In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Tradingview. Now, capturing a snapshot of your charts can be incredibly useful for sharing insights, saving analyses, or for your own record keeping. Let me guide you step by step on how to easily take a screenshot directly on Tradingview. First, take a look at your chart toolbar. Look specifically for a small camera icon, which is labeled Take a Snapshot. This is your go-to tool for capturing images on Tradingview. By clicking on this camera icon, you initiate the process of taking a screenshot. Once you click the icon, a menu will appear on your screen with several options. Let's explore each of these options one by one so you can decide which is best for your needs. The first option on the menu is to download image. Selecting this will save your chart as a PNG file directly to your computer. This is a straightforward way to quickly secure a copy of your chart for any future reference or sharing purposes. PNG files are widely supported, high-quality images, ensuring that the details of your chart are preserved without loss in quality. Next, you have the option to copy image to your clipboard. This is an efficient choice if you're planning to paste the image into another application, such as an email or a document. Simply click on Copy Image, and then switch to the application where you want to use the image. Use the paste function, typically using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, and your chart snapshot will appear right where you need it. Finally, there's the option to Open Image in New tab. Choosing this allows you to view your screenshot in a separate browser tab. This can be particularly helpful if you want to see it on its own before deciding whether to save or print it. Once it's open in a new tab, you can utilize your browser's built-in options to further manage your screenshot. If you decide you want to save it, use your browser's Save As functionality to store it to your desired location. Alternatively, if you need a physical copy, go ahead and use the print option to create a hard copy of your chart. These three methods provide flexibility, allowing you to choose the best way to capture and use your Tradingview charts depending on your specific needs. Remember, whether it's for archiving your analyses, sharing with others, or presenting your data in a meeting, capturing a high-quality image of your Tradingview chart is just a few clicks away. That's all for how to take a screenshot on Tradingview. Simple, straightforward, and incredibly useful for all your charting needs.